Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Get bigger and bigger and bigger. So it's Big Jeff coming to you on a Saturday, March. I'm excited, man. I got Rockford sitting here. You know, Rockford, it was awesome when we got the line. We're an authorized online seller. And then also eBay, Amazon, and our Big Jeff Audio website. I, no lie, went home and I preached to my sales team, hey, when you guys go home, make sure you watch some YouTube videos about car audio. You know, you got to learn, you got to adapt, you got to keep changing. And I did it last night, and there was one from 5 Star. I think they're in St. Pete, car audio shop. Been around forever, and they do tons of videos, man. The guys are smart, but it was like an hour long, and I couldn't stop watching it. They went to Rockford Fosgate and then showed all the stuff they have there. You know, this is not those guys that just slap a name on Alibaba or some from China, which you see more and more. They design that stuff. I mean, the work that goes into the speakers is incredible. Like, they know exactly how a speaker is going to sound and perform before it actually is built. And then they have multiple departments, CAD programs and everything else that, you know, build the motor structure and the spider and everything. And then it comes there and it gets put together, the majority of it. So no, they don't actually produce all the parts, but they do. They design them, they get the parts to come in, they source them out. So it's pretty incredible. So we're gonna be starting a promotion too. I think next week it'll be starting to go up. Every Rockford amp you buy from BigJeffAudio.com or us on eBay or Amazon, you're gonna get a free Rockford amp kit. So if the amp calls for an 8 gauge or a 4 gauge, that's what you're gonna get. Now here's the kicker, besides getting that for free, you're also getting an extra 1-year warranty from Rockford, which is awesome. They say, hey, if you use the right wire, especially ours, which is 100% copper, we know it's a little bit expensive, but you use the right wire, the amp should run forever, and they're willing to give an extra year warranty on that. I was watching that when they design even the speakers. Do you know they run them over 24 hours straight and check the temperatures? It's crazy. Same thing with the amplifiers. They have like this crazy setup that they can, you know, run a speaker, an amplifier. They even have a car setup with no gas tank, nothing in there except the system, and it's all wired to their bench, so they can check with mics. And then I was watching their Harley division now, where they actually have like a 3-stage mic, so it takes recordings from different heights of people. Crazy. But that's what you're paying for. You're not just paying for a name, you're paying for the work that goes into it, the customer service. You can call Rockford, you can message them, and the same thing you do with us. But obviously calling here and talking to people and calling Rockford, 2 different things. They know 100%. We can give you basic product knowledge or basic install knowledge, and we do have our new number, 737-BIG-JEFF, which is kind of cool. You can call it, text it, WhatsApp it. But we're going to be running promotions. You will get a free Rockford amp kit with every Rockford amplifier. Now, I did have in my BMW 7 Series, I had a P312 in there. Man, it was just a great sounding speaker. So you got different people out there. People are just all about bass and boom, and you got other people that you know, more of the quality side. Now, I'm not saying that Rockford can't get down and move some air. They got, you know, they got some big subs and some big amps, their T series, but all their product sounds incredible. Their marine stuff, I mean, it's insane. So if you want to step up in quality, I mean, even the size, I mean, here's an amp right here. I'm gonna take it out of the box. So this is their power line, and this is the T1000 x5. I mean, you can see how small this thing is. It's incredible. It's insane, and the amount of power it produces. But just the work that they put into all this, I was watching that video. It's incredible how much time they actually put into each product. But that's what we're talking about. We're talking about Rockford Fosgate. I'd love to hear your comments about it. Have you had Rockford? If so, what stuff you had? You know, it's even cool in here. Everything plugs in, and then like your RCA's and that. So easy, quick disconnects. And then here's a cool thing. There's an actual rating on the power. So each one of these products gets this. It's tracked by serial number. These aren't mass produced. They actually, each item, each product gets tested by hand. And you get like a certified paperwork. So, and it's not just power. This thing breaks down what the system, the voltage was at, gain tracking, high pass check. So they check all the different frequency. I mean, basically when you get this, there's none of this "it was bad" out of the box, because it is fully tested from head to toe before it's even shipped to us and then shipped to you. But right now, also check out, I think we're running some discounts they allow us on some marine stuff that'll be going on through to April. And if you just want to change up, try something different, there's a whole line of Rockford products for car, motorcycle, marine, side-by-side, off-road, just crazy stuff that takes a lot of abuse. Rockford's been around, you know, long. It's the originators like Kicker and even Jail Audio and who am I thinking here? Kicker, Jail Audio, Rockford. You know, when you think about it, those are the names that even people that don't know about car audio, they know, they've heard of them. Rockford, even here at our office, we have a flat screen set up, and they give us like this plug, an HDMI plug that basically has a direct connection with Rockford Fosgate, and it runs videos all day and trainings. It's man, the company's intense. It's crazy. The product is awesome. I've always been a Rockford guy. Check it out. Go to bigjeffaudio.com. You can go into brands Rockford, just search through there. By the time this video gets edited past the lives, we will have up those promotions. If you're thinking about buying an amp at tax time, you'll get a free amp kit. They're not cheap, they're expensive, but they're nice kits. So that's a cool thing. And then we always try to throw goodies in there, not just Big Jeff goodies. You might get a Rockford keychain, lanyard, koozies, shirts if we got them. Every Big Jeff order always gets something free in there. But that's what we do. So listen, I appreciate you all checking with us live on all the social medias. Please leave your comments. This is Big Jeff. Rockford was huge when I got it, and that's why I just want to give a little shout out to it. I think people look at some of the pricing and say, oh, it's a little expensive, but it's really not. It's not that much more expensive. You're paying a lot of quality. You're paying for the text bar. Do you know if you contact Rockford, they'll basically give you the specs for your box? Meaning, if you give them length, width, and height that you have to work with and what equipment you're using, they will actually build your box, send it to you, and you can cut your wood from there. I mean, not a lot of manufacturers are going to go to that extent to have a full-time tech support team. And then keep in mind, every single product that comes to you was hand put together and tested with a certification. So Rockford Fosgate all the way, Big Jeff Audio. I'm a believer, you are a believer. Give it a try. And check us out at www.bigjeffaudio.com. And a little caveat for the people that have signed up for the affiliate program with Big Jeff. Next week we will be raising the percentage. So when you get your link and you share it, it's 5%. You get cash basically paid for having people buy stuff through your link. But with Rockford, we're going to increase that to 10%. So that means every $100 somebody buys, you're going to get 10 bucks. So if somebody spends $1,000, you do the math. Easy way to make money sitting home and just reposting some of our advertisements. We even have on the affiliate side links for you to download logos and advertisements and just post those in your groups and social media. But keep in mind, the more you do it, the better it is, the more people that will buy through your link. So you will get 10% commission back by promoting us and Rockford. All right, that's awesome. So it's Saturday. We got some other videos to do today. This is a quick weird one, but I want to thank you for tuning in on the lives. This is kind of cool, talking to different people at the same time. I can see there's some comments. I can't really read them right now, but I will respond to them, everyone. We're trying to get this to work right where I could be able to respond. So We've made a lot of changes, obviously, in years, and a lot of things going on here, and this is going to be one of them. To interact with you, the customer, Big Jeff loves you. I wouldn't be here without you. None of the employees here would be here without you. We just had a nice big lunch, and it was to give everybody a break because it's been so busy here. You know, remember, this place is built around over 30 people to post the stuff up, talk to people, sell it, ship it. There's a lot going on here. So we all, I'll speak for my team, we all love you and we appreciate you. All right.